Good morning student. Welcome to your online classes. I am Reena Tripathi, your maths teacher. Firstly student, look here. This is your maths book. Okay? This is your maths book, Mathematics in Real Life. Mathematics in Real Life. Okay? Student, firstly you cover up your book with brown paper, then stick name slip and write your name, class, subject and school's name. Okay? Then start your work. Is it clear? Now student, open your page number 5. This is your page number 5 and your lesson number 1 is comparison. Lesson number 1 is comparison. Comparison means what? Comparison means tulna. Comparison means tulna. When we compare two or more than objects, then we say comparing. Okay? तो हम लोग उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Comparing बोलेंगे. Now our today's topic is big and small. What is our today's topic? Big and small. We show big like this. We show big and small. Big and small. Okay? We show big object like this and small like this. Okay? Now, I will draw two types of pictures. 1 and 2. Now I have drawn two balls. Okay. Now tell me which is big and which is small. Is this small? Is this small or big? Big. Okay. And this is small ball. Okay. Big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada and small means chota. Now, I have drawn two stars. Okay. Now tell me which is big and which is small. Is this big or small? Big. This star is big and this star is small. Okay. Now write here big and small. Is it clear? Now student, I have some objects for example of big and small. I have one apple and one what? Tomato. This is apple and this is tomato. Now tell me which is big and which is small? Apple is small. No, tomato is small. Yes, that means apple is big and tomato is small. Okay. Now for second example, I have one container and one box. Okay. Now tell me which is big and which is small. This container is big and this box is small. This is big container and this is small box. Okay. Now for next example, I have two objects. One is car and one is Ganesha. Now which is big and which is small? This car is big and this Ganesha is small. Okay. Now you have given this is big. That means the boy says this is big elephant and this is small. This boy says this is small rabbit. Okay. Small means like this and big means like this. Okay. Now take the small fruit. You have given two fruits in your picture. This cartoon has small mango and this cartoon has big watermelon. Now take the small fruit, that means you take mango in this box. Okay. Now second question is take the big fish. Take the big fish. Big means bada. Okay. Now this boy has small fish and this boy has big fish. Now take the second number of option. Okay. Now student, you open your page number 6 and your topic is biggest and smallest. What is your topic? Biggest and smallest. Okay, your topic is biggest or smallest. When we compare two objects, then we say big or small. When we compare more than two objects, then we say big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. Okay. Now for biggest and smallest, I have examples of some objects. Okay, like this. Yes, this is box and this is apple and this is tomato. Now tell me which is big, which is bigger, which is biggest. Big means bada, bigger means usse bada and biggest means sabse bada. Okay. Now this tomato is big. If this tomato is big, then apple is bigger, then box is biggest. Okay. Now you have given in your page number 6 big, bigger, biggest. Okay. Now you have given tomato, pumpkin and second number is also pumpkin. Then you compare all objects and you say if tomato is big, then this pumpkin is what? Bigger and this is biggest. ये बड़ा है, ये उससे बड़ा है और ये सबसे बड़ा है. Okay. Now your activity number 2 is tick the biggest. Tick the biggest. Biggest means जो सबसे बड़ा है उस पे आपको टिक करना है. You have given 3 flowers in your question. Now first number flower, second number flower, third number flower. Now which flower is biggest? सबसे बड़ा flower कौन सा है? Third number flower is biggest flower. Middle flower is big. First flower is bigger and last flower is biggest. Now tick your last option. Okay. Now tick the smallest. Smallest means छोटा, सबसे छोटा. Okay. Now you have given rabbit, sheep and cow. Okay. Now rabbit is small, sheep is smaller. Sorry. Yes. Cow is small, sheep is smaller and rabbit is smallest. Okay. Now tick your number, option number 1. That means rabbit. Okay. Now student, you solve your page number 5 and 6 with the help of video and PDF with very neat and clean handwriting. Firstly, you write date in left side. Okay. Then draw line in middle and write quotation, and right side you write CW. Then start your work with very neat and clean handwriting. Okay. Thank you.